finally time to fix my headlights. So we picked up the bulbs from the mail center, and this is what I got. I don't know if you guys can see that though. They are Raxoim 600K H13 headlight bulbs for my 2008 Mustang GT. Now let's open them up. I've heard good things about these, though they do have bad reviews. Well, one bad review on the website. I think they're pretty good. I had these in my car last time. They lasted about 30,000 miles. And if you have one of my generation Mustangs, the S197s, you know that these things need LED headlight bulbs. If you have the like halogens or whatever they come with stock, let's just say they don't cut it, and you know that if you got one of those. They are the dimmest, and not only that, they're dim, they're at a terrible angle. So today I'll show you not only how to install these bad boys, but how to re-angle the headlight bulbs. So this is what we're working with. These, pretty sure they just screw in, as you can see from here and here. This is the little power supply unit, or I guess power transmitter unit, and this plugs in. Obviously you got two of them, same on both sides. It's really simple. It should only take you around, 5 minutes, let's say, for each side. So like I said, the installation itself of the headlight bulbs, pretty simple stuff. You don't need no degree in mechanical engineering to throw these things on. You don't even need really a screwdriver. It's just your hands are the tools here. It takes like 5 minutes. But the headlight angling is a little more complicated, I would say. You need a hex bit, and you need so like I said, the installation of the bulbs themselves, these guys are pretty simple. You should not face any issues with these. All you need are your hands and 10 minutes of your time, 15 maybe if you're inexperienced. But yeah, like I said, these are simple, but the actual angle to angle these guys correctly, that's the more difficult part. And that's also the more important part, I would say. You can have all the light in the world, but if it's not shining in front of you, then you got a problem, obviously. And that's what the issue is with the S197s, is that from the factory, their stock angle is very low. So let's say this is my car, I'm pointing straight. This is up, this is down. They're tilted just barely down so that you can't really see that far in front of you. The brightness isn't even the issue at that point. It's that they're just pointed down. So with these, you can angle them further forward because they actually have the strength to shoot out that light forward. And you can see. So like I said, with the stock halogen bulbs, you just, there's almost no point angling them because I feel like they're angled that shallow angle stock from factory because they don't have that much strength. But with these ones, you can angle them more forward because they have the strength to actually project the light that far. So therefore, your visibility is increased like tenfold, I would say. I've already thrown these on before, like a long time ago. So, yeah. Okay, so I've got my old one out, one new one. I'll show you how to do it, right? So this is what we're looking at when we're looking down there. We're looking at the back of this. You'll see these tabs. You want to push those counterclockwise, just like that. And it should just come out. Turn it. I was a little stuck in there. You just turn it. Comes out. You turn it and pull back. Then just one clip right here. Oh damn, this one's not gonna come out easy. Are ya? There we go. Ah shit, the clip broke. No. Okay, that's fine. These things happen. So we got this one out. Gonna go in with the new. The same thing, but in the opposite direction. You're just gonna put her in there and twist. You want to make sure your wire's on the top and then twist it in. I just feel like it fits better that way. It's something I figured out installing the new one on the other side. But then boom, you're just gonna put the good old plug back on. That's secure even without this little thing on it. And boom, you're golden, buddy. It's like I said, it is that simple. So let's see if these headlights turn on. They are on. I will hit you guys back when it's dark out so I can show you how to angle it. But this is what I'll show you right now. I'm not sure if you can see that. too well down there. See if I can angle. Yeah, pointing at it right there. Little thing that looks like you can turn. You turn it clockwise like this, or counterclockwise to make them go lower, and then clockwise to angle them higher. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to begin our angling of the headlight bulbs. So to do this, I don't just recommend. You need to go to a spot where you have a wall at least 10 to 15 feet in front of you, so that you're not blinding drivers, but you're also not keeping the shallow angle of the headlight bulbs. So what you're gonna want to do is, after you find that wall, you're gonna want to turn your car on, pop the hood, and turn your lights on. And if you guys didn't know about the S197s, if you got the keys in the ignition, car is on, and you close your doors, they're gonna lock no matter what. So make sure you keep a window down. Don't ask me how I figured this out. I won't like the answer, but I bet you guys would. So, come over here. And it's good, it's cold outside, so we got a little makeshift heater right here too. All right, so I'll try and be loud because I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but that's what we're looking for right down there. I'm pointing to it, hopefully you guys can see it. It's a little black box that takes a hexagonal bit. So you're gonna take an Allen wrench. This one is 7 by 32, that will fit. So we're gonna look over here. You can see the line where my headlights, cut off. We're gonna go over here, put your bit in there, and watch as I turn it. It's not super noticeable, but the headlight beams will go up and down. So I'm gonna show that to you guys. I'm gonna reset my headlight beams and then show you where to go from there. So it's not super noticeable, but I lowered the right beam just a little bit. You can tell on the left side, it's just a little bit higher. The exact cutoff is like beneath that last rail on the little patio right there, whereas on the left side it's a little bit above that last rail. So what I did was I turned it about 2 times going this way clockwise. Now I'm going to turn it back the other way 2 times just to re-angle them. So obviously turning it counterclockwise will raise the bulbs, whereas turning it clockwise will lower the angle of the bulbs. And with these LED bulbs, if you want to be like every truck on the road, you want to angle them just so that they blind the driver in front of you. And yeah, you're going to want them to go straight and up a little bit, heavy on the a little bits. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, the angling is not very difficult. It is a simple job. I'll get you that close up. I know you probably can't hear me too well because of that engine, but there it is, that little black box next to the power transmitter. So 7/32 Allen wrench and you're good. And that's job done, guys. Thanks for watching. So what the headlights look like. I want y'all to take a look at this for me though.